The WAGO Pro 2 power supplies. Efficiency at its best. Up to 96.3% efficiency our Pro 2 power supplies have got. So they have less power loss, so they are smaller in their width, and they require less space in the cabinet. They have a better derating and therefore a longer lifetime because of less thermal stress of the components inside. They have a lower heating, and therefore we have a wider operating temperature range of the Pro 2 power supplies, and they have less power consumption and therefore also less carbon dioxide emissions. So, to put it in a nutshell, we have cost savings, they are more reliable, and they have a better economical and ecological balance. And this leads, if we take a 960 watt power supply unit and operate it 5 years at 96% efficiency, to saves of 1 ton carbon dioxide, which is the same as a 80-year-old tree.